Hello students, we are discussing the word problems of Unit 8, that is length. And in previous video we have discussed the keywords of addition and subtraction. The keyword of addition are total, altogether, in all, sum, and subtraction. Left, difference. That means whenever we have to compare and we have to find the difference between them, then we will subtract, and if remaining. So these are some keywords of addition and subtractions, and we have already discussed the two questions of worksheet number 4. Now today we will discuss the remaining word problems of this worksheet. So here is the third question, that is a roll of electric wire. A roll of electric wire contains 88 meters 75 centimeter of wire. So electric wire के roll में कितने wire है? 88 meter and 75 centimeter. So this is given. If 46 meter and 55 centimeter of wire is used, इतनी वायर अगर यूज हो गई है, हाउ मच वायर इज लेफ्ट इन द रोल. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? टोटल लेंथ ऑफ वायर इज गिवन and the wire that is used is given, and what we have to find out, we have to find out the wire left in the roll. So here is again a keyword. So you can easily find out the keyword. Here left is the keyword. So left किसका keyword हमने discuss किया था? That is of subtraction. So in this question we have to subtract. और बाकी आप इस question को समझेंगे भी. इतनी वायर थी, इतनी यूज कर ली, तो कितनी बच गई है? So कितनी बच गई है? For that we have to subtract. So you know how we have to solve the question. First of all, we will write what is given. So what is given, we will write that first. So total length of wire is given. So total length of wire is given. That is, and your question is in meter and centimeter, so we will write the units meter and centimeter. So length of the wire is given, that is 88 meter and 75 centimeter, right? And wire used, length of wire used is given, length of wire used, right? How much wire is used, that is also given. So that is 46 meters. So meter के नीचे meter लिखेंगे, and 55 centimeter, right? And now what we have to find? Length of wire left. Length of wire left. So you can see here, जब भी हम word problems करते हैं तो first of all we will write what is given. जो भी चीज given होता है वो हम पहले लिखते हैं, and then जो हमें निकालना होता है we will write it at last. So length of wire left we have to find out. So this, what we have to do, we have to subtract. So subtract it. So first of all we will subtract centimeters and then meters. Subtract it. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have subtracted centimeters, so we will write centimeter here. Now we are subtracting meters, so we will write meter. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So 42 meter and 20 centimeter. So this much wire is left in the roll. So we will write the answer. So as question is how much wire is left in the roll. So 42 meters 20 centimeter wire is left in the roll. So the next question now. Question number 4. John cycles 5 kilometers 650 meter in the morning and 8 kilometer 300 meter in the evening. So John मॉर्निंग में कितना साइकिल चलाता है 5 किलोमीटर एंड 650 मीटर्स एंड इवनिंग में कितना चलाता है 8 किलोमीटर एंड 300 meters. This is given. Now what we have to find out, how much distance does he cycle all together. तो टोटल सारा मिलाकर कितने साइकिल ये पूरे दिन में चलाता है. So that you have to find out. So here is again a keyword that we have discussed. So here keyword is all together. तो ये सारा मिलाकर कितने साइकिल चलाता है that you have to find out, and the all together is a keyword of addition. So how we can do this question? First of all, we will write what is given, right? So John cycles in the morning. John cycles in the morning. मॉर्निंग में कितना साइकिल करता है. एंड देन जॉन साइकिल्स इन द इवनिंग. एंड ये जो आपकी स्टेटमेंट है ये आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिख सकते हैं. देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट व्हाट आई हैव रिटन. You can write in your own language. The only thing is it should be clear कि क्या आप लिख रहे हैं, and you can also take the wordings from the questions also, right? So your question is given in kilometers and meters. Kilometer and meter. So this thing you have to keep it in mind कि question अगर मीटर सेंटीमीटर में है तो you have to use meter centimeter. If the question is given in kilometer and meter, then you have to use kilometer and meter. So ये सबसे important चीज़ है, ये आपने ध्यान में रखनी है, because आंसर भी आपका उन्हीं यूनिट्स में आना चाहिए, अदरवाइज आपके उसके मार्क्स कट सकते हैं. So morning में he cycles 5 kilometer and 650 meters, and in evening he cycles 8 kilometer and 300 meters. And what we have to find out now, total distance, right? We have to find out the total distance. How much distance does he cycle altogether? So distance he cycle altogether, or you can write total distance he cycles, right? So we'll write distance cycle altogether. So as I have told you that you can write in your own language. So what we have to do, we have to add. So add them. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have added meters, so we'll write meter here. And now we will add the kilometers. So we'll write kilometer here. 8 plus 5, 13. So don't forget to write the units, as I have already told you that units are very important. So आंसर में आपकी यूनिट्स ज़रूर आनी चाहिए. So John cycles 13 kilometer and 950 meters altogether. टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना किया है 13 किलोमीटर 950 meters. And now the last one, fifth question. Rita bought 30 meter 70 centimeter cloth from a shop, and she used 25 meter 25 centimeter cloth for making curtains. So what is given? Total length of cloth is given that she bought from a shop, and what else is given? That how much cloth she has used for making curtain, that is also given. Now what we have to find out is how much cloth is left behind with her. So again there is a key word in this question, that is left. So हमारा कीवर्ड है इसमें left, and you know what we have to do, we have to subtract. Total length दिया है, कितना use हो गया है, that is given, and now we have to find out the left cloth. So let us do this question also. So this is the last question of this unit. So solution number 5. What is given? Total length of cloth. Total length of cloth is given, and then length of cloth used. Length of cloth used is given, and here the question is given in meter and centimeter. Question is given in meter and centimeter, right? So we will write that unit only. So that is meter and centimeter. So total length of cloth that she bought is 30 meter and 70 centimeter, and the cloth she used is 25 meters and 25 centimeters. Now what we have to find out? The length of cloth left, right? Length of cloth left we have to find out. What we have to do? We have to subtract करेंगे हम. So जो हमारे क्वेश्चंस थे उनमें हम डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे, तो here we have to borrow. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 5. So what we have to do? We have to borrow करेंगे from 7. तो 7 से borrow हो जाएगा, तो कितना बन जाएगा ये? 10. It will become 10, and what is left over here is 6. And here again 0 is smaller than 5, so it will become 10, and what will left over here is 2. Right? Now subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So 45, write the units, centimeters, and now we are subtracting meters. 10 minus 5 is 5 again, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So how much cloth is left? 5 meters and 45 centimeter. So write down the answer. The question is how much cloth is left behind with her? So 5 meters 45 centimeter cloth is left behind with her. So 5 meters and 45 centimeter of cloth is left behind, right, with her. So in this way you can solve the word problems based on the addition and subtraction of length. Thank you.